Hey yo, how you doing, people? Hope you're doing great. I have this 2015 what is it, Silverado? This is diesel, alright? This is diesel. This is 2500, if I'm not mistaken. It wasn't moving, okay? That was the problem. It wasn't moving. It had problems with the how you call this? I forgot the name. The all-wheel drive, the four-wheel drive, 2 high, 4 high, 4 low. When I touched the truck, it was moving forward, nor in reverse. Okay, so I raised the codes. Okay, then it started moving. It moved forward. Okay. Then I keep getting the P2117, if I'm not mistaken. 2117. Okay. And what I did was the P117 says something about the four-wheel drive low. It has the circuit low or circuit open. Okay, and let me park it. Okay, so what I did was I went straight to the even though I got the trouble code saying that the four-wheel drive high and low was working, and it got the signal. It got the trouble code saying that the low one, it had some type of low voltage. I went to the transfer case, checked the fluid, and it was low. So I put some Detron 6. Okay, top it off with that. Put the refill plug back, and I erased the codes and all that. Drove it around. Now it's all Gucci. All right. So if you have a problem like that with the transmission, or it's not moving forward or going back, do that. All right. If you have any questions, just holla at your boy. Holla Axtuo. You know what time it is. All right. That's pretty much it. I'm gonna get some munchies, and I see you next one. All right. Catch me in the next one. Estuvo por una maldita. Yeah.